I often ask how I get read, how I read. And look at the ripples. You see all those lines? Every one of those lines is a path. I see those paths, and for the most part, they're steady. But things can change. And as things change, there's that undercurrent, that ripple, water drops. But it always returns. So when I read, I most often read what is steady. But at times, it's not so steady. And at times, I must read the waves, the drops, the portions that we don't ask for. Water reflects much of life, even much of sight, even as an oracle. Check out that sundog. It's a beautiful day.